Hey everyone, today I'm diving into Perplexity AI on iPhones and iPads. We'll look at whether it can replace Siri or become a major upgrade for your device. If you use an iPhone and want smarter voice assistant workflows, this is for you. What's new on iOS? Perplexity's iOS app includes a voice assistant mode. You can talk to it and ask it to draft emails, set reminders, play music or podcasts, navigate with maps, book rides, handle reservations, and more. You can add a shortcut to your home screen or lock screen. You can also set the iPhone's action button to launch Perplexity's voice mode on supported models. The app supports threads, voice plus type chats, and keeps your interaction history. It uses reliable sources and shows citations for answers. It works on older iPhones as well as newer models. How it integrates with iOS. When you launch the voice assistant, it asks for microphone and app permissions. Permissions may include contacts, reminders, and mail so it can perform tasks across apps. You can assign the action button to start voice conversation or ask Perplexity in shortcuts. It can play songs or podcasts via Apple Music. It can send email through Apple Mail. It can add events to Apple Calendar and get directions via Apple Maps. It can help book rides and perform other assistant-style tasks. Where it excels compared to Siri, Perplexity brings proactive, conversational AI features. It can browse the web, pull in real-time information, and link you to sources. This depth is something Siri often does not provide. It works on more devices, giving advanced assistant features to slightly older iPhones. It's more flexible for research and knowledge tasks. You can ask complex questions, get citations, and follow up for more depth. But it's not a full replacement yet. You cannot replace Siri as the system default in iOS. Perplexity runs through its app and shortcuts. Some deep system-level integrations still require Siri. You cannot control certain system features, like flashlight or brightness, through Perplexity because of Apple SDK restrictions. Third-party app support is limited compared to native Apple apps. Integration with Gmail, Google Calendar, and some other apps is still in progress. Setup tips and best use on your iPhone. Update the Perplexity app from the App Store. Open the Shortcuts app. Create a new shortcut and choose Start Voice Mode for Perplexity. Add that shortcut to your home screen or lock screen for quick access. On supported iPhones, assign the action button to start Perplexity Voice. Grant microphone, contacts, calendar, and reminders permissions as needed. Use it for quick queries like, what's the soil pH for pomegranates? Use it for assistant tasks like, draft an email to the farmers group about composting. Remember that non-Apple apps may not be as smoothly integrated yet. What this means if you're a creator or professional. When you're in the field, open Perplexity Voice Mode and ask for the latest research on vermicompost applications in Maharashtra. Ask it to draft a message to your farmers group while you keep working. Use its search and citation features to pull reliable sources for your blog or Instagram Reel scripts. Ask it to summarize an article into 3 bullet points for captions while you're mobile. It's great for multitasking and keeping your hands free during farm work. Verdict in one line. Perplexity AI on iOS is a powerful augment to Siri. It gives advanced voice assistant and research capabilities on your iPhone. It is not yet a full system-wide replacement for Siri. If you need deeper knowledge work and voice automation, it's absolutely worth trying.